You do it to be a man of Africa, a Kimo Yajama, Omo Yemu Aguda, Yemu. Every year, a little fellow abroad one of one crush you. I dare your region, Rachel. Omo Yemula made you, Judah Jackie, they must say, yeah. Omo Yemula made you, they must say, yeah. I will do a mother so by lying, the so cola. I shall go again, a door shall keep got to la. To buy easy. It will go wrong. Do have it easy now. If easy, I'm back. We want to continue our class, our Ondo dialects, you know what I'm saying? I got you covered. We're heading backing out. I don't like money. We are gods together. We use Shungam to come ourselves together. You must learn this language. It's very compulsion. It's very compulsory. Nani? Me again. We did go on football. I want you guys to learn the numberings. The numbering in Ondo dialect. You know, in Yoruba, there's something we call Onka Yoruba. Onka Yoruba. Number where English people they call it number. So we're going to learn numbers in Ondo dialect. If you can remember vividly in Yoruba class, it's like 1 lókan 2 èjì 3 ẹ̀ta 4 ẹ̀rin 5 àrún 6 ẹ̀fà 7 èje 8 ẹ̀jọ 9 ẹ̀sán. That is what we want to learn now in Ondo dialect. You cannot be wondering that what's going on. It's not the same thing. Ondo numbering is different from the general Yoruba language. Yes, we have our own numbering, you know what I'm saying? We get our own number. How we take pronounce our own, they're different. Very different from Balablu, Blabba, yes. So we're going to learn numbering from 1 to 20. 1 to 20 in Ondo dialect. Are we together? 1 to 20. So number 1, you know how we do our class. I will let you guys know how it's being pronounced in Yoruba, how it's being pronounced in English, and how it's been pronounced in Ondo dialect. So, one like this is Okan in Yoruba. Okan in Yoruba. In English, it's called 1. In Ondo dialect, it's called Ene, Ene, 1 Okan. 1 Okan is Ene. 1 in Ondo dialect. Ene. 1 is Ene. 2 now. Let's talk about 2. 2 is number. I know it's in a number. So 2 now is AG in Yoruba. 2 is AG in Yoruba. But in Ondo dialect, it's called. Are we together? Make I talk. I make another come. Méjì ní Ondo. Méjì. Mo jẹ ẹran méjì nana. Ẹran méjì ní àná. So I had 2 meats yesterday. Mo jẹ ẹran méjì lánàá. Mo jẹ ẹran méjì nana. Àná is yesterday. Àná, yesterday. In Ondo is àná, nana, yes. So 1 is Ene. 2 méjì. So the me is it has this N in it. Méjì, not méjì. Are we together? So number 3 now is 3 in Ondo dialect is mẹ́ta. There's N there. Like mẹ́ta is 3 in Ondo dialect. 3 is mẹ́ta. The way I'm opening my high bottle. Mẹ́ta is 3 in Ondo dialect. I saw 3 boys over there. mo rí àwọn ọmọ mẹ́ta, àwọn ọmọkùnrin mẹ́ta. I saw 3 boys. Mẹ́ta, 3 of them. Ọmọkùnrin mẹ́ta. Àwọn igi ìpá mẹ́ta. Igi ìpá. Anyway you hear igi ìpá, that's just one of the deepest language. Igi ìpá is adults, like grown-ups. Yes, igi ìpá, grown-ups. So 3 grown-ups. You know what I'm saying? 3 grown-ups, man. Grown-ups. You know what I'm saying? That's just meta for you. So 4. 4 now. 4. Number 4 is called meh. Meh. What Yoruba used to call Mary. Mary in Yoruba. But in Ondo dialect it's called meh. 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 So in this sentence now, say, Bami ko shibi me wambe. Bami ko shibi me wambe. It means bring me 4 spoons over there. Bami mu shibi meri wa. That's Yoruba for you. Ondo will say Bami mu shibi me 4 me shibi me wa nibe. Are we together? So number 5 now. I'm saying this 5. What is 5? I say 5, like I5, like I5. 5 now. It's called mel. 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 Yoruba will say marun. Marun. That's Yoruba. Don't mix it up. 5 is marun in Yoruba. 5 is mel in Ondo dialect. Mel. 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 5. Give me I5. Mel. Mel. Mel woman and Obi. That woman gave birth to 5 children. Mel one ukata. Mel will be marun. Mel in Ondo dialect. Are we still together? Are we still together? So the number 6 now is being pronounced as mefa. 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 6 is mefa. Mefa in Yoruba dialect. Why in Ondo dialect? Why in Yoruba language it's called mefa? There's one thing I want you guys to understand. When I was pronouncing that number 6 in Ondo dialect, I said meh. Meh. Like say person one do like a goat. Meh. Meh. But not be meh. As per the way you pronounce meh. Mefa. Mefa. But in Yoruba they say meh. It doesn't have N. It doesn't have N, like N for no. But in Ondo there's N there. Mefa. Mefa. So number 7 now is pronounced as meje, 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 meje. So the end is it must come out. Meje, meje, meje. So that's 7. 7 up. 7. Meje. Meje, meje. So when you pronounce it fast, the end kind of is so silent. The end there is very, very silent. Sound silent there. Meje. So number 8 now. Figure 8. Like figure 8. Sepe, figure 8. Figure 8 is being called mujo. Mujo. 8 is mojo. Sometimes some people be like mujo. So that's 8 for you. 8 in Yoruba is called mejo, but Ondo will say mojo. That's 8 for you. Let's move to 9. 9 for Naira. naira, not naira, it's 9. Can we pay 9 ní Ondo? Can we pay 9 ní èdè Ondo? Mẹ́sàn. Mẹ́sàn. That N is very, very silent. So it's mẹ́sàn. Yoruba will say mẹ́sàn. Ondo will say mẹ́sàn. So going to number 10 now. 10 is called mẹ́wàá. Yoruba will say mẹ́wàá, but in Ondo they will say mẹ́wàá, like guagualada. They say guagualada. You see that gua? That's how you're going to pronounce it. Mẹ́wàá. Bring me 10. That's how it's being pronounced in Ondo dialect. 10. Mẹ́wàá. 11 now. 11 is called, it's being pronounced as mọ́kànlá. Yoruba will say mọ́kànlá. Yoruba. Ondo, mọ́kànlá. Number 12 now. Number 12, which is dozen. dozen. Méjìlá. 12 is pronounced as méjìlá. Méjìlá. That's 12 for you. Yoruba will say méjìlá. Yoruba is méjìlá. Take 12 ní èdè Ondo. That's how 12 is pronounced in Ondo dialect. The next one is 13. Number 13 is called mẹ́tàlá. Be mẹ́tàlá 10. They don't want you where. Be mẹ́tàlá 10. Mẹ́tàlá is 13. Mẹ́tàlá. That's 13. Let's move gradually to number 14. Pion. DJ Mamando. Pion. Number 14. Pion. Do you know what 14 is being called? From the Yoruba now. I told you guys that Yoruba and Ondo is like it's the same, a little bit difference. But 14 is called mẹ́la. Ohun Ondo they pay 14. Mẹ́la. Mo rìn máìlì mẹ́la ní tó fùgbẹ́. I trekked 14 miles before I got there. Máìlì mẹ́la. Ẹ̀wọ̀n rìn joy, ìgẹ̀lẹ̀ ìṣùkú. We do trek 14 miles before we get to school those days. Mẹ́la. 14 is mẹ́la. In Yoruba it's called mẹ́rìnlá. Mẹ́rìnlá in Yoruba, but in Ondo it's called mẹ́la. Like you want to pronounce, you want to say mẹ́, but it's not mẹ́. Mẹ́la. 15 now. Let's go there. 15 is pronounced as ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. That's 15. That's 15 for you. Ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. Yoruba will say àrùndínlógún. But Ondo will tell you ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. That's 15 for you. 15. ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. ẹ̀ẹ́dógún, and it's quite fortunate this is the 15 minutes on this video. Ẹ̀ẹ́dógún 15 minutes. I spent 15 minutes making this video. Mo lò ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. This video ẹ̀ẹ́dógún is 15. 16 now. Let's move to 16. 16 is being called mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. 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 Yoruba will say mẹ́rìndínlógún. Ondo mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. 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 17 now. 17, just like the way we used to remove 2, 3 from those Yoruba number counting of numbers and all that. That's just it. So since you already know 3, you just have to put the 3. Since we are deducting 3 from 17 to get 20, to add 3 to 17 to make it 20. That's how it's going to be. So the 17 now will be mẹ́ta dínlógún. Mẹ́ta dínlógún. Mẹ́ta dínlógún. Yoruba will say mẹ́ta dínlógún. Ondo is mẹ́ta dínlógún. I spent 17 minutes waiting for you. Mono mẹ́ta dínlógún. Ọjọ́ mo ń jókòó dè ẹ́. You kept me waiting. Mẹ́ta dínlógún. So 18 now. 18 is called méjì. Méjì. Méjì dínlógún. Méjì dínlógún. Méjì dínlógún. Méjì dínlógún. Méjì dínlógún. That's 18 for you. 18 for you. 18 for you. So second to the last, which is 19. 19 is pronounced as Giyan is tell. In Ondo dialect, Giyan is tell. Should I tell you? Should I tell you? So there's this when we're young and maybe probably your elder brother or elder sister kind of annoyed you or just spank you, and maybe mommy is not around when the whole thing happened, and maybe they finally came around, and you'll be like, go and tell your brother, Magia, I will tell my mother, Magia, should I tell you? Should I tell you the second to the last? Second to the last is 19, and which is Mokan dínlógún. Mokan dínlógún. Mokan dínlógún, which is 19 in èdè Ondo. That's 19 in English. Mokan dínlógún in Yoruba. And in Ondo dialect is called Mokan dínlógún. Mokan dínlógún. And lastly, which is number 20, which 20 is called score is 20. 20 is called Ogun. The number Ogun Yoruba. Ogun. 20 Oshogun. 20 Ogun. It's very, very simple. All the dialects, you can learn it, you know how to speak it. It's so interesting. It's so it doesn't twist your tongue. That goes well. It doesn't twist your tongue. It just little transition, just little one. Just remove one alphabet to replace it to another one and everything. You are good to go. So I have assignment for you guys. Now I'm your teacher. Ondo of Africa. I'm your teacher. I have assignment for you guys now. So the assignment is this. You are going to write for me 20 to 25 in Ondo dialect. 20 to 25 in Ondo dialect. So if you know the answer, comment, drop it at the comment section. Where I'm going to mark you. I go mark him. If you correct, I go mark him. If you know correct, I go wrong you. 20 to 21 in Ondo dialect. Are we clear? Is that clear? Clever. Area toy abu one question. Amount of Africa. What you give for to carry you me every time. let's round it up for today. Onka Yoruba, Onka Ondo Ibe, Onka Ondo. And yes, I won't look for number one crush amount of Africa. I dare your region Rachel, Okpa Yaya Kimo Guya Jama, Atikariani, or say anytime, any day, Shadole Kore. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want me to drop a particular, no dialect, you want me to drop a video of that, can you slide to my DM, comment on the comment section. I got you covered. Bye.